All right, guys, you made it this far. Let me show you exactly how to install the gaskets. This is a great upgrade for your car. Between the door handles, the lock gasket, the trunk gasket, you'll get it. It's easy. Come on, follow along. Yep, your door handles are gonna look way better once we go through the process of replacing them. It's really simple. Remove the door lock, you know how to do that, unscrew that bad boy. You're gonna need the tool, it's called a clip removal tool. It does both the door handle and the window crank. Go ahead and take the screws out of the armrest. There's 3 or 4 screws that are on that. Pop the clips out from behind it so that way you can get the handles off. No big deal. Pull the perimeter screws at the bottom of the doors, and the rest of it's got clips. So actually, once you release it, you just lift straight up on it and it comes off really, really easy. Now here's what we're getting to is get a 5/16 socket, go to the back of the door handle and pull those 2 screws out of it. Look at, boom, she comes right off. Now, there's a clip on the lock. Pull the clip off the back of it and then pull that bad boy right out. Feel free to open the bag. These 2 locks are the door locks, right? They look a little different than the trunk lock. We'll get to the trunk lock later in the video. So here you go. You put the seal on the door lock, you put that bad boy right back in its place and slide the clip on the back of it. Super easy. Now, the 2 seals that sit on here, which is really unique because they sit in a pocket, slide right onto it. It's not hard to align at all. You just set it up in there, put those 2 5/16, again, with a 5/16 socket, slide that bad boy on there, put your door panel back on. You're just gonna go ahead and push the clips in, and you're gonna throw the screws back in it, and then you're gonna throw your handles back together. And it's pretty much a wrap, man. Once the door armrest is back on and the handles are there, you've got yourself a really epic looking outside of the car. We're gonna go ahead and do the process on the other side, but you don't need to see that from me. You get it once, it's easy. All right, let's get on to the trunk, kids. First, you pull out that little Phillips screw, and this is a retainer clip that actually holds your lock in place. You gotta get that clip backwards a lot, don't pull it out all the way. And now you're gonna lift up on that trunk, push up on that bottom rod, and pull it right out the back side of the trunk. Now you can move that retainer clip that you actually just pulled out of it. Grab the new seal, put it in orientation on the lock set. Now you're gonna go ahead and look for the tang. You're gonna see that that little end right there has to go back in the slot, but don't put it in yet because you have to put in the retainer clip first. It actually has to sit in the center there. So light it up, look down in there, and then just get that tang of the lock set that actually goes into the lock latch, and you will have them lined up. Now you got that all in line, you can go ahead and push the retainer clip back in place, put your set screw back in it, and bam! Actually, pretty simple procedure. Now you got your lock set back in your trunk. Doesn't that look sharp? Okay, guys, this is my daily driver. This product came up because I wanted my car to stand out above everybody else's. Click the link. You can get our products. We'll ship them right out to you. If you got other cars or other ideas that you're interested in telling us about, send us a question, man. Communicate with us. Looks good.